Hi guys, today I am back with more for you. Today we're going to start with viewing reminders, and now the shortcuts get a little more complicated, not complicated, but I mean I'm bundling them more. When I created these, I kind of made the basic ones and then I started bundling them, and I just started thinking of how people would use them in different ways or how people would want to use them. And so I have some options. So today, whereas yesterday we covered opening the reminders app or opening a reminders list, today I'm about viewing the reminders. So this is part one. Well, I'm just going to go through part one of view reminders, and then there'll be another video for part two, or option two, not part. Option two. Okay, so we're in part 8, option 1, view reminders. This is what it's going to look like when you tap on the link. Okay, it's going to ask you this. So at the top, it says tap any item to open the reminders app or swipe up to close. So if you just, are planning your week and you want to see like, oh, what reminders have I added, overnight or whatever, you can just look at that and then swipe out, okay? Or you can look at it like that and be like, let's go. And then it'll pull it up and then you can edit it, or you can add things if you wanted, okay? So this is just a little option for you. Okay, so let's get started. If you are new, what you're going to want to do first you're going to want to watch the overview video I have that covers a ton of information that I'm not covering in these specific part videos. So watch that. All right. Now you're going to want to make sure you go to my website, because my website works with the video. The website has information that you'll need to complete the steps that we're going to go through. So read the information. You're already watching the video. Now you have an option to create the shortcut yourself, meaning, you are familiar with shortcuts. And then I have screenshots that, you can read along, or you can get the shortcut from the link below. So I have the link to the shortcut. All right, and all it'll do is when you copy and paste this link into your browser, it'll install it onto your iPad shortcut app, okay? But if you're going to do that, you need to go into your settings, you need to go to shortcuts, and you need to turn on private sharing. That'll allow the shortcut to get installed onto your planner. All right, so once you've done that, now we can start setting it up, okay? Let's see, we want to view reminders 1. That is what this one is called. All right. So now when you're in the shortcut, you can see it says view reminders 1. Right? That's what we're doing. Yeah. In the yellow comments here, I have information, so it'll help you set it up too. So let's just go through it. So use this if you would like to quickly see your open reminders without opening the reminders app. Then if you want to do more, you can tap on any item and it'll open the reminders app and slide it over on your screen. Okay, so we saw that happen. All right, so the first thing you need to do is select the app that you're using below. So that would be GoodNotes, NoteShelf, and Notability. Those are the 3 that I've tested it in, and I know that they work, but I do have a video for NoteShelf, Notability, and other users that you're going to need to watch if you are one of those people. Now it says where it says list is, select your list below. So the action is find all reminders where all the following are true. List is reminders. Okay. The only thing you need to change here, right? Now this would only apply if you have more than one reminders list. Like I have, well, when you tap on it, you can see I have reminders, vacation, home design, a grocery list, etc. Okay, so you might just have one list. So just make sure then it says list is reminders. Okay, or you can choose your list. And then that's all you need to do. Just list is, and then make your selection. Now, down here, it says select the reminders app below and be sure to select it to slide over. Now I have it already set to slide over for you, and that can be found when you do the drop down. See the little drop down button? So you're going to want to select open reminders. All right, so you can search the reminders or you can scroll like that. So open reminders, slide over. Now select the same reminders list you chose earlier. So you want to make sure reminders and reminders is the same list. So I'm gonna do Erika list, so that way it'll show, you can see it. It's a little different. So this and this need to match, and then you're done. Now, when you set it up, there's a little play button up here. Click play. Oh, did I not select an app to open? Oh, I didn't. See, and that's why we want to test it, because I forgot to. Oh, wait, I want to select Good Notes. I forgot to select my app. Okay, so click play. So it opened Good Notes, and now it's bringing up my reminders. And if I want to tap on it, it'll open up the list. Okay. All right. So now that we've tested it, we know it works. Now at the very bottom. Now, if you are, again, now, if you're a Noteshelf or Notability or somebody, other app user, go watch that specific video. It's in the comments, in the YouTube description. It's also on my website. Okay, so the link URL you will enter in your app is, and then I have that right here. This is also on my website, right here. Okay, for you to copy and paste. That is critical to getting it into your planner, notebook, etc. But before we do that, you're going to want to make sure where you see it says name equals view reminders 1. There's no spaces. And then it says view reminders 1, no spaces. These must match. They will match if you just download it from where I gave it to you. Everything will match. But if you were to change the name of the reminder, then you would need to change the name of the shortcut down here in the link. Because if they don't match, it won't work. All right. So that is critical, critical. And I have it here too, but you know, I know what it's like when you're in tech or when you're doing something that you're unfamiliar with, you know, sometimes you don't always read. So anyway, so this is what you're going to want to select. Okay. We're going to copy it like that. And now we're going to go into Good Notes. And I'm going to highly recommend, and I say this in every single video, I highly recommend you just, if you're planning on using shortcuts in any way, shape, or form, you create a template somewhere where you put them all and have a master setup. So that way, once you've created your shortcut, you know it works, you can put it into a nice document, and you never really have to go into the Shortcuts app again. You can just use this as like your master file. Okay, that is my suggestion. All right, so I pasted in the shortcut just so that I had it here. Now we're going to press and hold on our document, click add link. We want to link to a website. So we want to, we want to delete Good Notes, and we want to paste in our link. Now you'll want to click return, because if you don't click return, it will default back to that Good Notes website. Okay, and now we have our link. So when you tap on it, it'll ask you if you want to run the shortcut. You do. There it is. All right. Now you can take this and put it wherever you want. You can also make it, if you were interested, you can make it look better. You can put anything over it because, you know, you have that arrange feature in Good Notes. So this is reminders. So I would take my icon and then put, it's crooked. Put it over. Okay, so now I'm going to take this entire thing, copy it, and then put it wherever I want to. And I'll show you that in a second. All of these icons I've made, they're free to download if you want. They're just black and white. I'm pretty certain I'm going to put versions of this for my customers in my free sticker area of my website. I just haven't done that yet. So that is something that is on my to-do list. But anyway, these are free for you to download if you want, just some icons to help you out. But anyway, so we've put the icon over the link, we're copying it, and now we can put it wherever we want. You can put it anywhere on your planner, notebook, template, you know, wherever, right? You can put it on your grocery list. It doesn't matter. And you can just put it anywhere. Okay. would you just put it somewhere? Oh, okay. Anyway, it'll go anywhere you want it. And that's the whole point of me doing this series, is showing you that you can do this to suit your needs however you want to do it. So anyway, I hope this helped you. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.